Hey traders, welcome to the pittrades.com daily report. I hope everybody had a great day. It's Thursday, about 15 minutes before the cash close. I wanted to get this video out early. I have some commitments this evening. Let's talk a little bit about what happened today. I said last night if we got above this 63 level here and stayed above that, I'd be suspicious. This could be just a bunch of sideways junk and you want to stay out of that. But this thing broke down, and from when it broke this thing down in this morning, it was game over. No doubt about it. They went ahead and everybody kept on shorting the bounces, and as you can see here, we just kept selling off nicely into the afternoon. Now, as I said to watch this level down here between 11:30 and 11:35 area, and I said you can split it in half. It went down to 33 halves, so you could have got the 34s if you were looking for a target down there, and then tried to bust it down a couple times, couldn't do it, and then a little rally into the close here, right up against that weekly pivot right now. The rally's not much though. I wouldn't get fooled by that. This is probably some short cover rally here. Tomorrow also, as I just got to warn you guys, tomorrow is the end of the quarter, last day of the quarter. There's all kinds of window dressing happening, a lot of positions being unwound, and just all kinds of craziness. Just be very careful tomorrow when you trade. This could get a little squirrely. It usually happens two ways. Either you have crazy volatility, or you just have this extremely quiet market, and it looks like we just popped through this pivot here into the close. We'll probably end up closing around yesterday's close, which happens to be 11:49.25, so they may pull this back here in the next couple minutes. Nonetheless, let's look at some levels here to watch for tomorrow if you must trade. First, we have down here, we talked about this low at 33.50, 11:33.50. Watch that all the way down to the 32s. Below that, or say 31, let's say. Below that, I'm obviously looking at the 23, 22 area. Matt has that area. That was a great area prior to this, and we still have that area on our radar screen. Below that, we definitely have the 1106s. Now, if they get funny and they start rallying this thing, I'm looking for above the 1162 level first, and then go to test today's high up here. Today's high comes in at 1170 and 3/4. Above that, then we'll watch this breakdown area of that 1181.82 area. So tomorrow, guys, be very careful. We do have news out in the morning. We have at 8:30 pre-market. That's Eastern Standard Time. We have personal income and outlay, and then of course at that would be 9:45. We have Chicago PMI and 8:55 consumer sentiment. Both Chicago PMI and consumer sentiment could move this market, so may be prudent to sit on the sidelines for the first 30 minutes. Let the 9 o'clock time come before you start looking at trades. And other than that, guys, trade them well tomorrow. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you again on Sunday. Take care.